if tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than a plus b less is equal to 90 degree, a greater than b, then find a and b. Before going to solve this problem, you are advised that watch this video without any break. Now going to solve this problem. First condition writing this, tan of a plus b that is equal to root 3, and second condition, tan of a minus b that is equal to 1 by root 3. Here question is find the values of a and b. To get the values of a and b, we should make root 3 in terms of tan. In that case, tan of something, something means angle, then inside something will be equal, or tan of, here tan of will be equal. So we have to find out for what angle tan value root 3, that is tan of an angle is equal to root 3. Now see here doing, we try to found 0 degree standard values, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Here writing tan. Tan of 0 degree 0 from trigonometrical formula. Tan of 30 degree 1 by root 3. Tan of 45 degree 1. Tan of 60 degree root 3. Tan 90 undefined, symbolically written by this. Whenever you are going to solve this question in exam, you need not do this. You have to think then in memory. Here we have written this because of better understanding. Or if anyone not in memory, this will help. So in first case, what we are doing, or tan of a plus b root 3. Where is root 3? Here is root 3. Tan of 60 degree is equal to root 3. So what we will write? Tan of 60 degree. Similarly, separating by this way, tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Where is 1 by root 3? Here is 1 by root 3. For what angle tan 1 by root 3? Tan of 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. To replace 1 by root 3 by tan 30 degree, as we have replaced root 3 by tan 60 degree. So tan of a minus b that is equal to tan 30 degree. Now see, in this case, tan of a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree. We may think that tan and tan cancelled. So we will write a plus b that is equal to 60 degree. This is an equation where a and b involved and constant terms like 60 degree. Name it this equation 1. Similarly, from this case, we will write a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Name it this equation 2. Observe these two equations. Obviously, it is seen that if we add equations 1 and 2, what we will have? A plus b plus a minus b. B will get cancelled. Only remaining b, right hand side simply added. So obviously we can get the value of a. Similarly, Next we'll follow to get b. So 1 plus 2, operating 1 plus 2, what we will have? A plus b, left hand side of 1, left hand side of 2, added with left hand side of 1, a minus b. What will be right hand side? 60 degree plus 30 degree. So b will get cancelled. A plus a 2a, 60 plus 30, 90 degree obvious. Now find a is equal to 90 degree by 2, or a is equal to 90 degree by 2, 45 degree. Now doing here 1 minus 2. 1 how much? Left hand side of 1, a plus b. Writing here, as here is minus symbol, so we should write it within bracket, better understanding for. Is equal to 60 degree minus 30 degree, or open the bracket, a plus b. Whenever this will be opened, then sign will be changed. Plus a will be minus a, minus b will be plus b. 60 minus 30, 30 degree. Or here a will get cancelled, b plus b 2b, that is equal to 30 degree, or b is equal to 30 degree by 2, or b is equal to 15 degree. See here another condition also followed, a plus b greater than 0 degree, less is equal to 90 degree. See